Hello and welcome back to another video. So I am just out this morning now to start preparing for the TB test. So it won't be for another couple of days, but at the moment I still have the water trucks out in the yard and the place is just a bit of a mess. So I'm going to head down now, get the 390. The forks are already on it, thankfully. So we'll get the trucks moved up into roughly where they're going to go above in the fields, and we'll get another few bits done. This video will include the testing, the results, the whole lot. Obviously I am very nervous about it. I was never nervous about a TB test until last November really, and now I think I will forever be nervous about TB tests because you just never know. We were a closed herd, we're still a closed herd. So you just don't know what's going to happen, but look, fingers crossed, we can have a good result and yeah, I can head off on my holidays without having to worry about any of that stuff. But look, I'll see how much of it I record. I probably won't record much of the testing because, to be honest, it's just a nervy time and I just won't want to be recording. But look, I'll get a few bits in between recorded and whatnot as well, and of course I'll fill you in on how we got on. So we have a change of plan. The 390 won't start. It just won't turn over. The light's coming up on the dash, but nothing. So you wouldn't have this with the 135, I'll tell you that. But yeah, we'll try and jump it there. It's always when you're in a rush. I said I'd come out quickly this morning, I have to be somewhere. I'll just get rid of the trucks and at least that'll be one job done, but now it's just all going to have to wait until this evening. Well, now the current situation is not good. Tried the gator, got it to a point where it ticked. I said grand, give it more revs. Nothing, completely dead. So on advice from my friend, went off, got the 135, came back down, revved it, gave it more than 5 minutes anyway, turned it, nothing. Just the lights coming on again and that's it. So, and it was painful. I'm all cuts all over my hand again. Trying to get at the battery, it's so awkward. I don't know, do we have very clunky leads or what, but that was an effort now. I'd say it took at least half an hour to get the lead onto the battery. So not a good day, such a waste of time. So I'm just going to take the forks off the 390 there now, drag them over and put them on the 135 and just get rid of the water trucks that way, because there's no guarantee really that we'll be able to fix it this evening. So my friend is going to call, but it'll probably be later this evening or tomorrow. So look, I might as well get that sorted because I don't want to be depending on it. But one thing I will say is I get a lot of love for the 135. And I always said, yeah, it's a great tractor. But it's things like this that makes me really appreciate that tractor. That sat in the shed for the entire winter. From October to February, I'd say. Did it get one run out? I don't think it did get one run out. And it started on the first turn of the key. So there is no beating the 135, and that is why it will always be my favourite. But look, hopefully we can get the 390 sorted. It might need a new battery or something, we'll see. Oh, the joys. Well, today is the day, or at least it's one of the days. Saturday is the main day reading, but I've just set up and ready to go. I'm going to go up now and get Mum and Dad, just close the neighbours' gates and hopefully bring them straight up. I can't keep up, oh God. There's always one who is where she shouldn't be. Hey, Norms. Well, it's done and they're gone back out and oh my God, I'm tired. My shed looks like it never saw the power washer apart from the pen. They have destroyed the place. To be fair, we were done in about an hour, so it wasn't too bad. There was a few acting up now, all right, but nothing major. The most difficult part was trying to get them all out of the pens and down to come back up because sure, once they hear a strange voice. So I had a new vet today, a female, so the women were doing it for themselves, so we got on just fine. We didn't need any man. But yeah, good to have it done and then back down, but they would break your heart for sure. So now I'm just going to put the hitch on the tractor. I must put on the PTO cover as well, so we'll tackle that. And I'm going to sit down for a while and then I am going to put the trailer on the tractor and see if I can remember how to drive it. So yeah, we'll do that next. Now, so today is reading day and the vet has just gone, and thankfully we have the all clear. It's just such a massive relief. To be honest, I wasn't overly worried. I've been having a good look at them over the last few days, and especially with these guys having a feel of their neck and everything, and I knew there wasn't anything there, so thankfully we have the all clear. Everyone was very well behaved as well today. Of course, I had the extra help today of Rob, and they knew it and they didn't even try to act up. That's typical, but look, I don't mind. Everything went very smoothly. So next thing we're going to do is just separate them again. So the yearlings are going to go up into the good ground and the cows and calves are going to go below. There's a nice bit of grass where the cows are going, a decent amount where the yearlings are going. The cows will get longer out of where they're going than the yearlings, so we'll have to check it again in maybe 2 weeks, but sure, look, we'll worry about that after Greece. So but yeah, look, it's just great that I can head off on holidays now and, you know, not have a care in the world, hopefully. So look, I'll leave it there. I won't show you us moving them. The day is bad, so I just kind of want to get it done because I'm going to have to get Mom out now again to help. So we'll get them all moved. And look, thanks again to everyone for the well wishes with the TB test. I do appreciate it. We've done 4 TB tests in a year now, so it will be great now if we just don't have to test for another full year again. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you liked it, give me a like, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. Thank you.